Let's go inside. Okay, we're in my house now, but I need to do a few things. Let's go to a different room and see what we have to do. To go to the room, this is called the hallway. One more time, the hallway. Yeah, I walk in the hallway to go to different rooms. Let's go through the hallway. Okay, now this room, do you know what this room is called? This is called a living room. Can you say that with me? Living room. Yeah, in the living room, I like to read my books or watch TV or just relax. I'm going to watch a little TV in here. I like this show. Yeah, so in the living room, I watch TV. Let's see the next room. Do you know what this place is called? It's where you cook food, maybe even eat your lunch or dinner. Do you know? It's called a kitchen. Can you say it with me? Kitchen. It's a kitchen. Great. So I'm going to make some lunch. First, I'm going to take my knife and my carrots, chop them up.